I'm pretty sure this is the GAN13 Coloré or the Colore or the however you pronounce it, but here you go. Let's go ahead and get this plastic wrap off. I'm really excited about this one. Now, since the box is cardboard instead of, well, I mean, all their boxes are cardboard, but this is like papery cardboard. I want to be careful not to cut the cardboard because that would be really bad. And I actually want to keep this box because this box is very nice. Alright. I haven't actually seen any videos about this online except for the GAN video, the official video, so this is like a first peek. Anyways, we can take a look at the box first. The box is paper, like actual paper. It's not like the coated stuff that they usually have. It's just like cardboardy paper. This looks like some very nice paint right here. Overall, really nice design. You can see GANcube logo right there in silver as well. GAN13 maglev right there in silver, and GANcube again. On the bottom you have all the standard GAN details. We're not going to go into that, but you can see the box is magnetic as well. So it has that nice GAN13 feel. Oh my god, as soon as you open this, look at that. That's a very nice paper design. This box probably took a long time to design, but it's like one of those fold out paper books. Very nice design. I can tell they put a lot of effort into this. You can see it has layers. On this side, there's some text in Chinese. There's a translation on the Cubicle website, but this is the text right there. And then you can take a look at the cube itself. Alright, it's just a standard insert. I actually kind of like the standard GAN13 box more because it had a nice fold out look, but this is also okay, and I think this paper design really makes up for it. Alright, so let's go ahead and dive into the accessories first before we take a look at the cube. We have, oh, this feels really nice actually. Right, so this is my GAN XS from a previous video, and I haven't took the GAN bag out of here yet, so let's go ahead and compare that one. The bag feels, I mean, it overall feels really nice, but it's kind of stiff compared to this one, which is really soft. It's like kind of made out of the silky type material. The string also is very nice. Although I've heard of these kind of bags breaking, so I don't really want this to break. So I'm just gonna put it back into its box. Anyways, let's go ahead and take a look at the other accessories. You can go ahead and see that there's a standard GAN13 maglev tutorial pamphlet. This is just like the one I covered in my review, so you can go ahead and watch that. I'll link it in the description. Tutorial card. This looks like it has been updated. Whoa. No way. The CFOP pamphlet has got updated. I don't know if they've updated it with like the GAN13 Coloré, because that was the last GANcube that they released, but no, my god, this thing got updated. This is crazy. Okay, so you can see that the old one is kind of longer. Like this. Oh, this is the Chinese section. It says CFOP. They have all the algorithms. Some of these algorithms are actually really outdated. And right here, you can see that it's a picture of, I think, the GAN Air SM, or one of the GAN Airs. But yeah, this is like old GES. I mean, this thing came with the GAN XS, which uses the GES Pro system. This is not that. Okay, so this is completely outdated. And you can see that this guy's putting GAN Magic Lube in, and Magic Lube was released in like 2017 or something, so it's no longer a lube that GAN makes. Alright, now let's take a look at this pamphlet. Yeah, they look like they use like the M-Slice Superbs right here. Yeah, all the algorithms look like they've been updated. And you can see right here, it says they've updated the lube section here too, with GAN Lube 1 instead of the Magic Lube. This is actually kind of useful. I'm really glad that they updated this. It's a long overdue update, so this is pretty nice. I'll go ahead and take a picture of this and scan it in if I get the chance to, and I'll post it in the description below in case you want to check it out. The other two things that this thing comes with are stickers. So you can see that these are just their standard Fulbright sticker sets. Then we have the special collector's card. There's a Cube Station scratch off thing that you can add to Cube Station. And now we come to the cube. I'm gonna get, so this is the standard GAN box right here. You can see with the purple one, this is the blue one, I'm sorry. You can see with the blue one, you have the magnets showing through here, and the tool also showing through. And overall, the texture of the box, this one feels smoother, and this one feels like their frosted finish on their cubes. This one feels like maybe a glossy finish in their GAN X. That's kind of the texture of these boxes. But let's go ahead and open it up. Super satisfying. Oh, is that UV coated? Oh my god, I think that's UV coated. It's super satisfying just turning a cube with those stickers. This looks really nice. I don't know if it's showing that well on camera, but this looks way nicer in person than it ever did on video. I'm gonna go ahead and turn on my lights. I don't know if it's showing that well because of the lights, but this cube reflects things like really amazingly. It's like shining from the inside. And I don't know if you can tell this either, but it has UV coating. Like, I'm not sure how well the stickers will do on top of this UV coating, but this is really nice. One thing that I want to point out is that the adjustment thingies on the magnets, and again, if you don't know about any of this technology, you can go ahead and check my review. I'll link it down in the description, but the numbers there are kind of hard to see because of the translucent plastic, so it's kind of hard to adjust the magnets. Now, I no longer main GAN cubes. I used to main the GAN12 maglev. Even after I got the 13, I used that for a couple of days, did a couple hundred solves on it, broke it in, and I still didn't find myself liking the 13 as much as I did the 12. And I think because the 12 is more smoother on the inside and it doesn't catch as much, even though it still does catch. But now, since I've switched to the Waylong V9, I don't have one right now on me, but I like that one so much better than GAN cubes, and I've not made any GAN cubes since. But this is just still super enjoyable to turn. Even though I'm getting some catches here and there, this is super enjoyable to turn and super satisfying to see just a UV coated cube, and this blue still feels really nice to turn. I'm not gonna sticker this because I really don't want to ruin the look of this cube, and I really just want to keep it like this as a collector's item. But I'll put some pictures on screen of what the stickered cube should look like. Again, I'm not gonna sticker this, so I don't really know, but it does look really nice, and if you want, then you can get it for your collection, and I don't think that you would be disappointed with it. So this has been a Text Speedcubing video. Please subscribe, and thank you for watching.